What is up, my happy people? Welcome back to King Tech Hub. Today, I want us to discuss Samsung S23 Ultra and then S22 Ultra. On my left is S23 Ultra, on my right is S22 Ultra. So, to start this discussion, we will start with the main camera and the selfie. We have three lined up cameras on both of them, the big ones, and then on the small one you can see on which is on my right is smaller. The camera bumps are smaller than the ones on my left, which means that the S23 Ultra on my left has bigger camera bumps, and it is coming with 200 megapixels of the main camera, and then the S22 Ultra is coming with 108 megapixels, which means that the camera quality on the S23 Ultra is powerful and higher than that on the 22 Ultra. And then you can see we have on the lidar sensor, we both of them have. And then another camera we are talking about is the selfie camera, which is 12 megapixels on the S23 Ultra and then 40 megapixels on the S22 Ultra. The case, if you have the same case for S22 Ultra, it will not fit onto the S23 Ultra. Why? Because the camera bumps are bigger. They look like they have been the light, the flashlight, and all the things have been placed in the same position, but they are not the same. In case you like to try your old cases on the new phone, and then once you put your case, you realize that it doesn't fit. So another difference is that looking at this S22 Ultra, you will see the cameras look smaller, but the quality is good. It's not that bad. It's also a great camera. The body is the same. You see the switch here, the volume button here, and then we have the SIM tray, and there's another eSIM tray. Looking on this S23 also, you see the lineup almost looks the same, but it's a great choice to choose. And then underneath, it looks a bit thicker, and that's the stylus pen, the speaker, the charging. Both of them use Type C. And then on the S22 Ultra, also, you can see the lineups look the same, but the size looks a little smaller than the S23 Ultra. So the S23 Ultra looks a little bigger than the S22 Ultra. I think based on the upgrade that was made with the tech inside. And both of them, the S22 Ultra is having Bluetooth 5.2, and then the S23 is having Bluetooth 5.3. The Wi-Fi on the S22 is 6E, and then the same as that on the S23 Ultra. But the S22 Ultra has the dual band, and then the S23 has the tri band. And we have also the batteries in them. The battery in the S23 Ultra is same as the one that is in the S22 Ultra. So when you are charging with the wireless charger, it charges on the S23 Ultra like 65% in 30 minutes. Both of them don't have 3.5 jack. It doesn't have it. But one of the great features of the S23 Ultra is the dual pixel PDAF. So it has an HDR10 also. The memory size starts from 256 and then 8 GB RAM, whereas the one on my right, which is the A22 Ultra, starts from 128 gigabytes with 8 GB RAM. The chipset in the S23 Ultra is way higher than that on the S22 Ultra by only one difference. This is the Snapdragon 8 Gen 2, and then on my right is the Snapdragon 8 Gen 1, but both of them are Snapdragons. So it's amazing the dimensions on them. When they weight on the S23 is 238 grams, and then the weight S22 is 228 grams. So both of them are not the same in terms of weight. The S23 Ultra is a bit heavier or bigger than the S22 Ultra. You can see from the screen, both of them have 120 refresh rates per second when you want to play games or like in terms of speed, the screen. So these two phones are aesthetically basically the same, only a few differences that I've already mentioned in the video. And on Kintech Hub, I try my best not to waste your time, but to give you straight to the point view and then a tech review on any device or the devices that I find and the tech that I find worth reviewing, not to waste anybody's time.